How to manage multiple store TikTok shops. Managing multiple TikTok shop stores requires a shift from a personal to a business structure. While individual sellers are generally restricted to open one shop per person identity, and verified corporate entities can officially operate up to 5 TikTok shop stores under a single business license. So to successfully run multiple shop, you must adhere to TikTok strict verification rules. Use a verification business entity to unlock the 5 store limit. Each store will require unique contact details, email and phone number during registration. And TikTok blocks reuse information. Ensure every shop has its own logo or login and unique credentials that have never been used on the platform before. And a company's director or authorized representative must provide ID and must or may undergo video verification. This individual can be linked to all 5 stores under one license. This is how you can manage multiple stores in TikTok shop. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.